Alright guys, welcome to this video. And if you are new to cryptocurrency, a basic way to get started is to get involved in airdrops. Basically what airdrops are, they are free coin that are distributed to wallets and addresses from a relatively new cryptocurrency most times. So they just want you to get used to their coin, and it's kind of a marketing gig. So what they do, they send cryptocurrency to users that perform certain activities. So I'm going to show you today where you are going to get a reliable source, two sites that you get reliable airdrops. There are lots of them, but these two I'm particular about, and I'm sure that you get reliable source. One of them is CoinMarketCap. So you go to coinmarketcap.com, you type coinmarketcap.com. From time to time, CoinMarketCap publishes airdrops. So where you can see these airdrops, they are on their LAN. So basically what they do, they give videos of this particular coin, and they ask you to study the videos, then answer the questions that follows. So what you need to do is to sign up with your email and password on CoinMarketCap. Most times they require a Binance ID, a Binance account. So I've created a link in the description on how you can create a Binance ID, and in subsequent video I'm going to show you how to use Binance. So do well to subscribe to this channel. All right, then what you need to do is to create Binance, so you have an ID to fill the form when it comes to filling forms. All right, so what you need to do basically is to scroll down this page and then check out for airdrops. You see the ones that are live marked red and live. So this is the one that is live. You simply click on it and watch the video and answer the questions. So that's how you go about it. Then after that, there will be a form on it to be filled. So you make sure you fill the form properly, answer the questions, and submit your details. So with that details, you're going to be credited. They're going to send the coin to your wallet just like that. So the next site that we're going to look at is all right, one other site that you can look at to get a free token is Airdrops.io. So this site posts airdrops regularly. I've gotten some few airdrops from here. So all you need to do is just to follow them on their Telegram page, so you can get their regular updates when they post new airdrops. So you can search for airdrops here. There are lots of them. So basically what you do is to complete some task, maybe follow the token handles on Twitter, post their retweet their posts and all that. So you complete basic task and then submit your wallet, your most times Ethereum wallet. So you get some of the airdrops, some of the coin on that on your wallet. All right, some may require you to hold some other coin, like this Desmod requires you to hold Luna and Atom and any other coin for you to get this. So most times if you are not qualified for this, you can go for others that just requires you to complete basic task to get the airdrop. All right, that's all for now. I'll keep updating you on more content. Do well to subscribe to my channel so that I'll keep you abreast of other good crypto news. All right, have a nice day.